Today, Solvang with RB5K, my man. You brought out the Ducati. This is the first time I get to see it actually in motion. I'm very excited about it. We're out here in Solvang. We came out for C and Cycle's wedding. Very beautiful wedding. And that was yesterday, but today's today, and today's motorcycle day. I don't know, we're just gonna explore Solvang a little bit. There's a museum up here, cool biker spot up here that we're gonna eat at. Michael Jackson's Neverland Ranch is up here, so we're gonna check that out. I know that's kind of weird, but yeah, we're up here. Yeah, let's just get to it. Let's ride around and explore. All right, Solvang. So I'm not gonna be screwing around much out here. I don't wanna get a ticket. I don't want my bike to get towed because the cops out here, they don't screw around. Last night our Uber driver confirmed it. He got a fat ticket for some really stupid shit. So he put the scare in me a little bit. I'm gonna be minding my P's and Q's. And before I get too far into this video, I want to congratulate C and Cycle and his beautiful wife. I know a lot of you guys that watch my channel also watch C and Cycle. You'll remember several months back when he proposed to his girlfriend in his video. So being a part of it, the whole experience is really special to me. And the wedding was beautiful. I loved it. It was so fun. RB5K needs fuel. And this is one of those areas that you're just like, I could make it. I feel like there's like 3 gas stations in a 100-mile radius. Well, that's cool. Gas is a little cheaper than I'm used to. I think I have fuel. Nope, I need fuel. 87. You know your Ducati runs better on 87, right? Neverland Ranch. I'm sure we're not going to get anywhere near this place. It's probably all kinds of security. Imagine people are trying to burn this place down after all the new allegations. Everybody's so spaced out up here. Bet it's expensive. The hotel we stayed at last night, $300 a night. And that was the cheapest hotel in the area. You know who I found out lives out here? Carrie Hart and Pink. Apparently they're out all the time on their bikes riding around. Carrie Hart, you ever come across this video? If you're open to it, I'd love to come back up here and ride with you. Seems like they keep the roads up here just enough up that you don't want to go so fast. These roads up here suck. RB5K was excited to come up because he wanted to go rip around on his Ducati, but I bet he didn't realize the roads were all screwed up. Now, to be fair, I'm sure there are all kinds of amazing roads up here. We just don't know where they're at or have cell service to find them. Are we here? Is this it? That was quick. I don't know if this is it or we turned the wrong way. Oh, this is it. This is Neverland Ranch. So this is Neverland Ranch. This is where all that nonsense supposedly happened, huh? They got cameras all over the place, man. I bet there's cameras hidden in the trees. And
this is where little Michael used to live.
I don't think he lived here, did he?
For a little while, I think. I don't know.
I really want to try to get closer. I don't know if it's even possible. All right.
You want me to try and moonwalk over there?
You gonna moonwalk?
Yeah, I'll try.
Can't see shit. You can't even see the structure, the house, or anything.
Oh, it's way back in there.
How many times Macaulay Culkin hit this button? Those bikes look pretty good together.
Yeah, they do.
Red, white, and blue, son. And I love my bike, dude. I just love it. Even though it's trashed, I love it. Should we ask for a tour? I mean, I gotta do something, right? Whoa, someone released the bees. I was hoping to get a glimpse.
There's a house about a half a mile from here.
Really?
Canyon, yeah.
What are they going to end up doing with it?
It's for sale, so whoever buys it, I guess they'll do with it.
It's for sale?
Yeah.
How much?
Last I heard it was like 30 million. Something.
30 million bucks. We got that. Well, all right, man, we won't bother you. We're just in the area and figured why not.
All right, take it easy.
Thanks, buddy. I bet right here there was a big sign that said Neverland. But it's kind of cool. You got all these people leaving memorials, right? Bubbles has been here. All right, well, this was a bust, unfortunately. What are we doing now? Food?
Cold Brain Tavern.
Finding Neverland is what we didn't do. Excuse me. Riding around out here knowing everybody's been drinking wine all day. Nothing but wineries for sure. I think I'm supposed to go around this thing. I don't know how, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Sorry. I don't know what just happened. My back tire spun up. Oh, hell yes. What a good looking bike. It doesn't get nicer than that. Not much anyway. Good for him, man. I've known this dude for a while now, and anybody deserves to have nice shit, it's that dude. He's probably gonna get pissed if I put that in the video, but I'm doing it. Oh, look at all these Porsches. Look at all those cars. Solvang, yeah. I bet the dudes that work security at Neverland Ranch are just totally fed up with all the nonsense. I mean, we were there for like 10 minutes, and we watched 3 or 4 people just kind of stop by and check it out. Cold Spring Taverns. All right, good, we're close. Look at the clouds, man. This is cool. That tri-tip sandwich might have been the best tri-tip sandwich I've ever had.
Pretty good.
No frills, man. It was just bread and meat and some barbecue sauce. I'll be thinking about that for a while, man. That might be worth coming back up here for. I don't know if the GoPro's picking up any of this stuff, but it's super green, smells super fresh. The air's great. I like it. Feels like a little country western town. I don't know, like a Deadwood. RBK, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go find us a motorcycle museum.
To the motorcycle museum. Look at Prius. And another. I like that guy. This is where we stayed last night. It was nice, super nice. Like I said, $300 a night. I don't know, I slept well. So last night, one of the Uber drivers that we're using was talking about this virtual reality arcade that he owned. And he invited us by. We told him we were gonna go to the Solvang Motorcycle Museum, and he was like, dude, it's in the same building. So we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. So this motorcycle museum, I don't know anything about it at all. So I'm sorry if we get in there and it turns out to be kind of disappointing.
It says it was right here.
You guys know where that motorcycle museum is?
Here somewhere.
Okay, it's probably in here. So this is pretty much our last destination. Go in here, look at some motorbikes, maybe play some video games. Yeah, all right. Last night, you were my Uber driver. I told you we'd come swing through. Tell us about it.
Virtual reality arcade, and we have hundreds and hundreds of different games. We have 8 different rooms. Each room is set up to be able to play whatever your imagination can possibly think of. Well, our whole business plan from the beginning is education, so we are incorporated in the schools, and we have a lot of science and history and social studies, but it's mainly a lot of zombie killing, a lot of dragon killing. A lot of mysteries, a lot of just learning.
Any motorcycle games?
Not yet.
Soon.
Very, very soon. You're going to be able to sort of ride the Great Wall of China or ride through the Amazon on a trail bike.
That'd be fun.
Or actually, some of the footage is where you're actually in the, it's not a motorcycle, but you'll be in the Tour de France.
Sure.
Those types of things.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe do an Isle of Man game someday?
Probably.
Woo!
Probably.
So went to Space VR. That was awesome. What, did you feel like you were really in the game?
I was in outer space.
No, it was fun. It looked like you were having fun. The museum, what'd you think?
Pretty interesting.
There's a lot of bikes, all old school
A lot
bikes.
of history.
How many bikes do you think were in there? 50 or so?
Yeah, 50.
Well, I learned a lot. I don't know anything about those classics, you know, the old school bikes like that, but I was happy to learn about them. If you're into mechanical stuff, this place is for you. Some really cool shit. Awesome time in Solvang and the surrounding cities. I haven't met one unhappy person while we were out here. Everybody was cool. At the bar, there's no fights. Just everybody's in a great mood, man. Everybody seems to know each other and everybody has a story. That's the fun part. Didn't end up coming across Carry Harder Pink, but I heard they are in the area. And very personable. I'll be back, man. I'm gonna do this place a little bit better justice and learn some history. Maybe reconnect with some of the people that I met and do a bigger, better, more detailed video. Yeah? Yeah. As always, huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You guys are the best. You guys keep me going. But you already know that, because I tell you all the time. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. I'm actually a really bad dirt bike rider. So if you want to watch me crash and suffer, that'd be the place to do it. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Let's not forget, support the channel sponsors: Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, LUIMOTO, and Voss Helmets. All right, it's time to rebuild this thing, isn't it? I like it f***ed up, but it's just gone too far. It's gone too far.